Alrighty, everybody. I'm going to introduce Halston, which is Scott's 68 LTD four-door. It's a 390 car. He found this car in Arizona. He brought it over here. Got a little paint work done, some little stuff. And the other night, drove it back out here to Palm Springs from LA after it was in a shoot for something. Went to go drive it back to LA yesterday and stopped at Casino Morago for fuel. And it proceeded to puke its coolant like it's going out of style. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pressure test the cooling system, because even though it's got a new compressor, nice new alternator, and it's mechanically been pretty damn good, you know, it's definitely original. So, gonna pump up the old radiator here. We're gonna see what we got. All right, we've got our system pumped up. And it's dropping. You know, I always pump up a little past what the cap is. We're gonna take a look-see. See if anything is noticeably going pee-pee. In our cooling system. I'm gonna turn the light on. All right, we have light. So we're gonna check all of our cooling system. I was over here earlier today. I did take a look. I did notice that it was kind of rusty crusty inside the radiator. So probably needs a flush at the least. But I'm definitely checking everything. Make that system. I'm impressed, actually, that there isn't a lake underneath the car or anything tinkling. There's a little bit of water here because I did top it off with the hose just to make sure we're good. But I am impressed with the radiator in and of itself. We might end up just flushing this radiator and calling it a day, because we're really not leaking anywhere. The hoses are new. They're nice. They're Gates hoses. They're in good shape. So, unless there's a leak forming inside the car from the heater core, this little baby's tight. How's our pressure looking? Pressure has not moved. All right, so it's obviously an efficiency issue due to being yucky inside. So I'm gonna take the pressure off and we're gonna look at something. All right, pressure's off. You can see the rust. I was getting rust scale off the inside this morning when I was over here with Scott. So I think I'm just gonna do a flush. I really don't even want to take it out because it holds pressure so well. So yeah, do a little flush. This belt and power steering, that's no bueno. AC belt's new-ish. Looks way better. Nice and soft, feels good. Okay, the radiator's making bubbly noises from all the pressure we had on it. And this alternator belt, it's seen better days too. Look at, there's cracking. Focus. Ah, damn it. Dang it, focus. Focus on the belt. The belt. Alright, so we'll get a couple belts. Put a thermostat in after we do the flush. Ooh. She's a little fuely. So maybe we will give this carb a little reseal too. Let me take the air cleaner off. Right, so definitely smell a little bit of fuel. You can see a little bit of puddling down there. And there's some staining here on the carb. So we might want to just rebuild this carb. But it'll be quick. It'll probably just quick reseal. Standard 2100 auto light. Quick, easy, painless. Let's check our points while we're here. Those are nice and new and clean. Maybe we'll just do a nice cap and rotor, because this does have a cap with aluminum. We prefer the ones with brass. So just do a cap and rotor. We'll throw a fresh coil on there because it looks like it's been there since the dawn of time. And other than that, we are in decent shape. One more thing, and I talked about it with Scott this morning, replacing this positive cable. Quick, easy, painless. That's about all we got. Just some quick, easy, painless stuff.